picture. How crazy is that? I've just finished cleaning the van. It was filthy. I've been driving 2 hours to work each day, which is not normal. Normally the van is immaculate all the time because I only drive 5 minutes down the road, but I've been driving really far to work, so I had to clean the van before I could reveal it to you. So cue B-roll. And here we have it, my full Transit custom build. Full exclusive customs body kit, front bumper, Raptor board grille, looking sensational. Got an equally lower splitter down low as well, which you wouldn't have seen me fit in the last video. A lot less hungover than the last video as well, which is a great thing. So come with me, Noah. Also got some beautiful, genuine bowler wheels, finished in a lovely bronze colour. Beautiful bronze wheels, topped up against the blue wonderfully. Also got down low these sick rally flap mud flaps, because I found these taper on the van. They taper inwards, so the normal mud flaps come out to about here type thing, and what it does is that kicks all the dirt up the side, and obviously with the fresh side skirts as well, we didn't really want that getting all chipped and ruined. Coming back, another set of rally flaps, mud flaps on the back as well. Also had this rear bumper fitted, which you would have seen in the last video, with the fake exhaust tips finished in sick gloss black. Also a nice little honeycomb detail down here, which is sick. Yeah, it's looking sensational. I think personally probably built the best looking van in the UK, but let me know what you think. Coming round, more of the same, just an absolutely sensational looking van. More still to do to it, but for now this thing is looking sick. Noah on filming duties there in the last clips, did a great job. May have covered the camera a little bit with his fingers, so excuse that, but he did a sick job, so well done, Noah. Van is amazing, unbelievably happy with it. It is, you know, look, paintwork is absolutely gleaming. Yeah, loads has been done to it. Had a bunch of repairs done on the side, which I will go through now in more detail. You can see here, there is a singular Harris fencing mark left. Those started there, ended all the way over here on the front wing and down onto the old bumper. All of that's been blown in and resprayed, which looks sick. I didn't bother with this one because it was going to be a case of having the whole side done. Which is just so much money, you know. It was expensive enough getting the skirts and the front bumper and everything sprayed. You know what, we're going to be 100% honest with things. It's got to go back to the body shop. There's a couple things I'm not that happy with. You can see in here it's gone all white and milky already, but the body shop says they're going to have it back and they'll sort all that out as well. They also need to sort out this fog lights around, because it fit perfectly when I fitted it, but then they sprayed it and it no longer fits. So you can see this side, what it's meant to look, all nice and flush, and yeah, just a bit more of a snug fit. Oh man, that grille looks, don't you think, looks like the full crimson chin / angry, like jacked up kangaroo kind of vibe. I'm honestly, I'm in love with it. It's so evil. Coming back, there was a massive dent and scratch going from about there to there. That's also been filled in and sprayed, and I'm not gonna lie, he's done a well good job on it. I'm really impressed really with it for the most part. Yeah, other than a couple of little things, it is Oh mate, it's so nice. I mean, I just love all of it. Proper little rally van, it's sick. I do want to get the Van X. You do like these rear LED lights, and they have like a solid LED light that goes all the way up here. I've seen some the other day and they look sick. Also I need to get a little barn door spoiler. I think that would just finish it off nicely. I have got on order some kind of subtle carbon fiber mirror trims. That's on the list to do as well, but I mean, look at this thing. What do we think? Does it look evil or does it look super evil? It's just, mate, it's just sensational as far as I'm concerned. There is also the most super annoying fault, which is this parking sensor here. Can't figure it out. I kind of like tinkered with it. Maybe I'm hoping I'll have a look when it goes back into the body shop, but I'll show you because it just constantly thinks something's there. So as soon as you're in first gear, it just goes nuts. But I'll show you what I mean. Right, so yeah, that's what I mean. Look, you go into first gear. Look, just constantly. Oh, it's not doing it too bad now. Classic, of course. Yeah, look, see, there you go. See, so I need to get that sorted amongst a couple other little things, but all in all, it's just sensational all around. It's an absolute state inside, but I don't really care about inside. It's all about outside, isn't it? And outside is looking sick. Gonna sign this video out here. There's a couple other things, a couple of little plans I've got left for this one. Need to do a service, that roof spoiler, get the parking sensor sorted as well. Fit those mirror trims, and then that is pretty much it for the van. Custom build will be complete, which means it will be going up for sale if anyone is interested in it. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. Catch you at the next one. If this ain't the most classic thing to happen when you're cleaning a vehicle, come back out after eating some food and a bird has shat all down the side of it. What a dickhead.